The last thing we're going to go talk about is the nearest neighbor interpolation. So what the nearest neighbor interpolation is given the value of a function at the sites of a Voronoi diagram, the value of the function at any other point is estimated to be the same as the value at the closest site. So this means that the estimate for all the points in one cell will be equal. So that might sound a little confusing, but kind of think of this. So pretend all of these guys are weather stations. So all of these are different weather stations put up in a city. So this weather station measures the weather in this part of the city. This station H measures in this part of the city. So if you wanted to know what happened at this specific point right here, you wanted to know what is the weather in this specific point. Well, instead of having to travel to that specific point and measure the weather, it just gets the same idea as what's happening at this weather station. So it's assumed that whatever is happening here is the same that's happening to its closest weather station. Whereas if we wanted to look at what was happening here, we would say it's whatever's happening to that closest weather station. So instead of having to pinpoint the exact location and figure out the weather in that one specific point, you just interpolate and decide it's going to be the same as whatever is happening closest to it. What that looks like in math, so here we have the function f has known values at the following sites. So at site A, which we can't see at the moment, down here, it has an answer of 16, site B, 15, site I, 11. So then when it asks us, use the nearest neighbor interpolation to estimate the value of the function at the point 6, 3. Well, we need to figure out what cell is the point 6, 3 in. So we go over to 6, up to 3, so that's point right here. So since point 6, 3 is in site G, hold on, apparently can't write and talk at the same time. 6, 3 is in cell with site G, we say that it has the same value as that of site G. So we say it has a value of 20. And that's all there is to the nearest neighbor interpolation.